Fearless here. Today we're going to make ricotta cheese. It's done really simple and very fast, and you get amazing flavor out of a ricotta, homemade ricotta cheese you can use for all your pasta dishes and for snacks and crackers and whatever else you like to do. Basically you need a stainless steel pot that has been sterilized. Just put it on top of your stove, fill it up with water, bring it up to a boil it for about 10 minutes. You'll need a spoon and a small whisk, and you put that in as well. You need a thermometer. If you just have a meat thermometer, it's fine. If you have a fancy schmancy one, an electric one, that is perfect. You need a strainer, and you need another pot or bucket, and you need a cheesecloth. We have 6 cups of milk in here and 1.5 cups of cream. Put some salt in there. The important part about this heating this up is you do not want to bring it to a boil. Put it on low heat. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we bring it up to 195 degrees. So we're waiting for this to cook up. We now have it on 195 degrees. That's perfect. So all you do now is just add your lemon juice. You can look at it. It's okay to look at it, but do not stir. Just leave it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So 5 minutes are up. As you can see the difference here. It's starting to coagulate. That's a really heavy word for me, I'm sorry. The bottom part is the whey, that's the separation. One part is cheese, the other one is whey. So we're going to just dump this right in here. And all it needs is a little push. If you don't have a cheesecloth, don't go out and buy it or order it from Amazon at this point. The best thing is use an old pantyhose. Stockings will do it. We've done that before. Only the stuff that's in your milk. You can add spices to it. We like a little bit of paprika, salt, pepper, and all you have to do is eat it. If you enjoyed Fearless today, please subscribe, share, like, try it out, cook. Cheers. See you next time.